Assalamualaikum and greeting to everyone, especially to Dr. Amar. We are from Group 4 and today we would like to present the task given, which is to elaborate an LP model and perform it into graph. Before we continue, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Fatin Farahana binti Zainuddin and my matrix number is CP240093. Now, let's continue. The task has given a statement and we need to point out the information directly from the task and make it into schedule. Next, just like in the slide, as we can see here, it is divided into two items, which is table and chair. As for hour, we take the total hour from the statement. But not just that, we also need to divide it into three categories, as shown from the table. After we collect all the information, we will move to the next calculation where I will be passing to my next member to explain. Thank you.
Okay, hi, my name is Nur Emilia binti Shamsuddin and my matrix number is CP240059. 56. Okay, I will be explain about the calculation. First, we have to define the variable. So first, the variable is x1, number of tables, x2 is number of chairs. Second, objectives, we have to do the objective function. The goal is to maximize profit defined as P equal to 7x1 plus 5x2, where 7 is the profit from each table, 5 is the profit from each chair. Next, we have to do the constraint. Two constraints are given. First, 4x1 plus 3x2 less than or equal to 240. This represents the limit on hours available for carpentry. Second, 2x1 plus x2 less than or equal to 100. This represents the limit on hours available for painting and varnishing. Next, both x1 and x2 must be non-negative, less than or equal to 0, since we cannot produce a negative quantity of tables or chairs. And next, we have to finding the intercepts to do the graph. So for 4x1 plus 3x2 equal to 240, when x1 is 0, then x2 is 80. And when x2 is 0, then x1 is 60. I will be passing the slide next to my member.
Okay, based on the graph, we can see the x1 of number of table and x2 is number of chairs. The maximized P is equal to 7x plus 5x2, which is the subject. First is 4x1 plus 3x2 equal to 240 for 240 hours carpentry. And second is 2x1 plus x2 equal to 100 of painting varnishing. So they both are equal to 0, which is we replace the x1 with the 0 plus x2, so we get the answer is 100. x2 is equal to 100. And the final, we get the answer is x1 equal to 0 and x2 equal to 100. The other is 2x1 plus x2 is less than or equal to 100, and we calculate that we get the x1 is 50. So the final is x1 equal to 50 and x2 is equal to 0. Next, I will pass for the next presenter.
Hi everyone, so my name is Joanne Chong and my metric card number is AP240407. As my group member that mentioned before, for the two equations, so we got x1 will be 50 and x2 will be 100, and the other one x1 will be 80 and x2 will be 60. By that, we will need to draw a graph that will have axis x1 and axis x2, and we just point it at 150 for the first equation, and the second equation will be at t and 60, and the cross point will be 40 and 33, and this will be the point. And yeah, that's it. We got the point, so we can pass to the next question. That's it for me.
Okay, my name is Norizatun Nisa binti Ahmad Daud. My matric card number is CP240080. So today I want to explain about linear programming model. From the graph, I found that the high profit for this linear programming is at the point 3533, which is the profit value of 410. Because the highest profit for 35 tables and 35 chairs at maximum profit is 401. That's all. Thank you.